Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the MaytagDryer door catch. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new dryer door catch. The dryer door catch works with the door strike to hold the dryer door closed. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's damaged and the dryer is not running or starting because it thinks the door is open. In order to change out the part, we're going to open up the dryer door. Now that we have the door open, we have access to the door catch. It's located right here on the edge of the door in the center. We have to remove this cover to get it off. We're going to use the Torx 25 driver to take out the screws. The upper screw might not come out all the way. If it stays in there, you can just grab the cover and pull it off. And then we're going to keep two of the screws because we're going to put the upper and the lower ones back in place to hold this bracket in place. These screws might start to tighten down once they're halfway in, but you want to keep going until they bottom out and hold the bracket in place. Now that you have the screws tightened down, we're going to take the door catch out. It's just held in by a locking tab on the top and the bottom. Just going to use a putty knife and press down on it to release the upper one, and do the same thing for the lower one. Once you have them both released, you can pull the door catch off the door. Here's the old dryer door catch next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new door catch in, you just have to push it into the opening so it locks into place. Once you have it in, we're going to grab the Torx 25 driver, take out these screws so we can put the cover back on. To put the cover on, just gonna line it up, put it in place. We're gonna use the Torx 25 driver to put the screws back in. Once you have the screws in, you can close the dryer door, plug it back in, take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.